So here we are coming down the driveway, the entrance of the property we're working on. Nice little pond right here. After I do some stuff today, I might come throw a couple lines in real quick and see if we can catch anything. It's been a lot of work so far. It's pretty much an entire gut job. Old subfloor had to come out. Numerous amounts of sheetrock. Just all kinds of stuff, trash to go through and just throw away. And slowly but surely we're getting there, working on it. Currently working on the kitchen. Relocated some cabinets, tore a wall down, put an island in, things like that. But need some work on the outside as well. Poured this concrete a few weeks ago. Nice little concrete patio. I'm inside. This is the old laundry room slash bathroom. It's gonna remain a bathroom. We're gonna put some shelves and stuff for shoes, coats. Master bedroom. Put that Kills primer down on the floor. Try to seal it. Master bathroom, one closet, tub, shower, another closet. Changing all the vanities out, new countertops and stuff. Pretty large space. Upstairs has got a landing and then a bedroom, a little foyer area. This is gonna be living room slash I'll have a little dining room table over there. And then here's the lawn work going on here in the kitchen. New countertops, pull those, repainting the cabinets. Starting working on them now. Get rid of the light fixture, new light fixture going here, where the old wall used to be. We got our island installed, protected. It's gonna be a huge, huge kitchen. Come down, priming our cabinets. Looking outside, gonna clear all the little stuff all the way down to the pond. So from these big windows, you'll be able to see the pond, which would be nice. Sitting down here, you got a door to the basement. It's got a full basement, unfinished, but will be finished at some point. Gonna add a bedroom and a bathroom and kind of our living room is going to be down there, so it'll look good. So today I guess I'm gonna keep working on some sanding and priming these cabinets. We got to put in the pantry right here to extend where this chimney's at. Come through here and tie it in right here, and it'll be a nice little pantry. So we'll get started and see what we can get done today. And at the end of this, I'll probably see if we can catch a couple fish real quick out the pond. It's been a little while since I've fished anything around there. It's been real busy, but we'll see what it looks like today. All right, so I sanded and cleaned off this stain from the inside of these oak cabinets. Now I'm gonna fill the grain. And what I got is just some lightweight spackling, the finishing stuff, add some water to make a little pancake batter. And all you're gonna do is just put some on your brush, and you're just trying to fill the grain in. You can pull a little bit out if you want to, spread it around. You're gonna sand it anyway, so if you make a little bit of a mess, it's all right. trying to fill the grain in, so when you paint it, it makes it like a more professional. You don't see all the grains, you know, inside, which is what my wife wants. The inside I'm not too worried about because you're really not gonna see that so much, but I did a lot with the outside, what you see of these cabinets. This I'm just gonna do one coat, let it dry, sand it, and then you can go ahead and prime those. But you just work all the sides, let the brush get inside all the grain. Go against the grain if you want to a little bit. Like I said, you want to sand it, so if it looks a little rough, it'll be all right. So we're gonna do this. Go ahead and do this with the other 3 I have left. Let it dry. Now we're gonna sand the primer, the first coat of primer on these wall hung cabinets, and get ready for a second coat of primer. Let it dry overnight. Let these cabinets doors dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll come in and sand those down and put a first coat of primer on.